Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to remove the face unlock and also delete the face unlock data from the phone. So if you currently have the face unlock set up as your lock screen security like I do, let me just show you all. This is definitely the video for you to watch to remove the face unlock and also delete the data. So go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show. So simply pull down the notifications and go into the settings. And then scroll down to where it says lock screen and biometrics. And then select screen lock and biometrics. And then you will need to confirm your PIN. So enter your PIN code. And then here you will see face recognition. Go ahead and select it. And then select remove face data. And then here it explains remove face data. Features that use face recognition will be turned off. Just go ahead and select remove. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So now face unlock has been removed from the phone. And also the data has been removed. So now when you look at the display, nothing happens. Instead, you will need to enter your PIN. Or if you have your fingerprint set up as your lock screen security, you will have to use those two options instead to gain access back into the phone. That's it for the video. Please like the video, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.